you too can be getting paid $100 a day or more simply testing websites from several companies that I'm going to explain and show you and guide you to in just a moment. And the best part, we get paid by PayPal anytime we want to make a withdrawal. Okay, let's get into things. My name is Sandy Sove. I'm the freelance marketing mama, and I have videos like this being posted every single day showing you legitimate, real ways that you can make money online working from home or on your mobile device if you're traveling around the world or chasing your kids around, okay? So you'll want to subscribe to the channel before I get into things here so that you get updates every time that I produce a new video that will show you how to make more money. Okay, so make sure you do that. Check off the bell and you'll get a notification. All of the sites that I'm going to go through and share with you today can be found in the show notes below this video in the description box. You'll also find in there my #1 recommended way to make money from home, and I've been doing it professionally since 2012, but with the company that I #1 recommend is UBA Tracers. You can find that in the show notes below as well, and take a look at that. There's no cost to join that program, and I've been working there full-time since 2017, but I always am looking for new ways to make more money from home. You can call me greedy if you will, but there's so many ways to make money online. I do the research, I give you the insights on them, and you can go check them out if you want. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into things here. So the very first site that you can be using that I'm going to be sharing with you today to make $100 a day or more simply testing websites and testing apps is Feature Points. If you've never heard of Feature Points before, you can click on the link below the description box and it will take you to this site. And basically what you're doing, you can get paid by PayPal, cash, or you can do gift cards if you wish to as well. And they pay in American dollars. They pay in Canadian dollars if you're Canadian. Pay whatever currency that you're currently with. And really what you do here is you're testing and downloading apps to get points, and you're accumulating points to get paid rewards from Feature Points. And Feature Points, I've been involved with Feature Points now for about 6-7 months. You make good money from them. You can also do surveys. You can complete surveys. Basically what you're doing is just answering simple questions like, do you own a dog? What kind of dog it is? Do you have a car? How much do you drive? Things like that. And they actually pay you to complete those tasks by answering those questions. Okay, so it's really important that you take a look at Feature Points because you will get a lot of information inside their website once you create your free account. Right there, you just sign up or log into your account and you will be able to take a look at Feature Points. The next website that I want to share with you that you can make that you can conjointly use up to make $100 a day or more testing websites is Tester Work, and that link of course is in the bottom description below. You'll be testing with apps from companies like Microsoft, Facebook, Spotify, and the like, and you can earn money. You earn about $10 to $20 per test, so it's really simple to do. You sign up once you get to the website, you test apps and websites, and you get paid, and they'll pay you by PayPal as well. And they've been around for a while. The types of work that you're going to get here are, it's not as frequent as every single day that you can, but you will get, if you check from time to time, I put a little reminder in my phone so that I can go and test out. I have several different testing sites that I check out every single day. Some of them provide you work every day. Some of them only provide you a couple times a week, and it really will depend on the questions and the profile that you create when you sign up. So try to be honest as you can in there. They'll give you more and more work, and the more and more frequently that you complete the tasks at Tester Work, you will get more and more apps to test and websites to test. You can also, at Tester Work, you can also test movie trailers and video game trailers that you can watch, and you're going to earn really good money by PayPal as well through Tester Work. Okay, now moving on, because we got lots to cover of the sites that you can be earning money with to work from home and get paid $100 a day. Pretty good, just testing websites, right? This one's called Userlytics. Okay, and this one's fairly new for me. I had a friend using it for a while that I had kind of bypassed because I was busy with a lot of other things at eBay Tracers and some of the other ways that I earn money online. But it is really, really good. And the types of testing that you'll do here is really, really high paying. So you're going to do tests like, and this gives you an example of it. They'll give you pictures to go filter through. They'll give you sites and pages within the sites to actually click on, and then you give them, your honest opinion of what you think. Did it define the goal of what the company wanted to accomplish? Did it get your attention right away? Did it make you stay on the page longer? Where did your eyes, where did your attention get drawn to? um, those kind of things, and it's really simple. They vary depending on the panel that you're involved with for each of the different platforms and each of the different tests that you do, but they do pay really high, and I've been paid as high as $50 at Userlytics for one test that took me about 25 minutes. So you can get paid. Those aren't they aren't the most common ones like that, but you can earn $10 and $20 ones as well. And they do have a lot of $5 ones in there as well. So that's Userlytics. And when you head over to their website, in the link through the description box below, at the top, there's a couple different ways that you can get started. Up in the top right-hand corner, it says Tester Sign Up. You just click on that, and then it will take you through setting up your account, your name, your information, how you want to get paid. It'll ask you some profile questions and things like that, because what they're doing is trying to set you up to what kind of panels and what kind of website testing you're going to be doing. So it's very imperative and very important for you to be as honest as you can. And as you can see, some of the clients that you'll be doing testing for is newspapers, airlines, Microsoft, Google, Philips, a lot of different examples. They'll give you reels that you'll watch on your phone. You can do it off your desktop as well, or any mobile device for that matter. And then what they're trying to do is trying to see if what drew your attention, what did you get out of it, what was the biggest message you got, and things like that. So they pay pretty well to be able to do that at Userlytics as well. Now, moving on, this one is called TeleZoom Panel, and that link, of course, is in the show notes below in the description box. And just like the other ones, it's very simple to do. You get paid quickly and easily for doing testing and giving your opinion and completing surveys from doing panels and tests on different types of studies like mobile apps, movie trailers, video game trailers, and it takes you about 20 minutes of your spare time to participate in any one of these, and you can get paid anywhere from $5 all the way up to as much as $20, $25 per opinion that you share from the test that you do. So it's a really good, this company's been around a really long time, and you just give your feedback, you give your honest opinion. You don't, you take it fairly serious, but it's not really a hard job, obviously. You're just viewing the website and giving your opinion of what you thought of it, regardless if you actually were interested in the product or the website or the service that they were providing, and that is TeleZoom Panel. Okay, now moving on, because we got some more to do. This one's pretty cool. This one is very a variety of different things you're going to do here. It's called Fickle TV, and basically you're watching videos from The Rock, other celebrities, their cooking shows. There's videos that you'll watch, like actual music videos that you'll watch. And again, they're looking for your opinion on, how did it impact you? Did it catch your attention? Did you stray away? Did you find anything that they were talking about interesting? And it goes on. You could be doing recipes. You could be watching movies, trailers. You could be watching actual podcasts. The one that I watched the other day was a new podcast about not politics, but like a kind of a humor about politics and or making fun of politicians and stuff. And it was kind of humorous. And actually, when they release it, it becomes fully available on the I think it's YouTube or podcast where they're going to release it. But it was pretty funny. There was three women and a guy, and it was super funny. And I earned $12 for watching that for about 3 or 4 minutes. So it's really a variety of different things. Very interesting. There's there's recipes, there's cooking shows, all kinds of different things, and you can start getting rewarded and paid by PayPal with Fickle TV as well. So make sure that you go check that out. When you get to their page, you just click up in the top right-hand corner where it says sign up. You just sign up, and just like the other sites, you're filling out a little bit of a profile and your personal contact information to create your account, and then your assignments are given to you. Sometimes they're sent to you by email, but sometimes they're right in your members area when you log into the dashboard. Okay. This one is called TryMyUI. And again, it's a little tricky of a site there, but you can get paid to test different variety of different things, products. This one does a little bit, not just online, but you can also get things mailed to you. There's no cost to you to be able to do it, but they actually mail things to you, and I've received, not all the time, but every couple months you'll get something, and they want you to test it, whether it be headsets. Sometimes it's one time we got a cooking, not utensils, but cookware that they wanted us to test out that they were going to do for an infomercial, and we got to use it for a week, and then we ship it. They prepay the shipping back, and then we sent it back. So it's kind of interesting there too. Not only that, but you'll also get a chance. I've personally not gotten a free airline flight, but one of my friends, one of my colleagues that worked here before, she did actually get a flight, and it was a 1-hour flight, not very far of her choice, anywhere for an hour, and it was to test the I guess the airline staff, how we treated, what was the cleanliness of the plane. So kind of like a mystery shopper type thing too. But that's not the only types of things. And of course, you can turn down any of the offers that you get as well. So you basically set up your tests, you pick your target that you want to the kind of things that you're interested in, and then you simply watch a video on most of the things that you'll get started with at TryMyUI. It's easy to get started. When you head over there, click the link in the description box below. You just, once in the middle of the page, as you can see right now, you just put get paid to test, and again, you'll fill out your personal information, create your account, put in your PayPal, when you create your account, you'll get inside the members area, and then you will create your payout option and how you're going to get paid. And it's a really good company to work for too. There's lots of different types of surveys, lots of different ways that are opinions, sorry, not surveys, opinions that you can be giving on the videos that you're going to be watching and some of the other testing that you could be advancing to. It takes a while to get some of the things that would be mailed to you, because I've been with these guys now for a couple of years, so and it's not that frequent, it's every few months now, but it took a couple of years before I actually got started doing those, but I do it on a consistent basis. And again, I add this to my phone. One of the sites, all the sites today that I've shared with you are ones that I check on a frequently basis, every day or every second day at least, for any of the new opinion polls or panels that I want to participate in to earn money with. And again, how do they pay you? PayPal. So I hope you liked today's video. I hope you subscribe to the channel. Check off the bell when you do subscribe, because when I post up new videos, which I do have a great one that I've recorded earlier this morning that I'll be posting either today or tomorrow, that will show you how to just data entry captchas and get paid to enter captchas, and you can earn a couple $100 a month doing that as well. So I'm going to share that as well in an upcoming video. If you want to look at some of the other past videos that I've had put out that you can earn money with from home, work on a home job, side jobs, those kind of things, they are popping up on the screen right now, and I encourage you to check those out. Don't forget to check out my #1 work from home opportunity that I work with, and I recommend you do too, in the description box below. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next video.